Hello everyone. Now we will do question number 5 of worksheet 3 chapter number 10 parallel lines of DAV. Draw a line segment of length 7 centimeter. So keep the scale and 7 centimeter line segment is drawn. Again the same procedure, make acute angle on this point. I am making 60 degree. You can name the line segment AB. And without disturbing compass 60 degree arc, and this also 60 degree arc. Now extend these lines, this and this, arrow this side and arrow this side. Now what is the ratio? 1:3. So we need to cut 1 plus 3, 4 divisions. So see, this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. Do not disturb compass. First, second, third and fourth. Again naming A1, A2, A3, A4, B1, B2, B3 and B4. Ratio is 1:3. So here A1 and B3 are to be joined with solid line. A1 and B3 with solid line, and this A4 with B as dotted line. This way dotted, and last A and B4 is also to be joined dotted. Now this point is P point. Result we will write now. Result line segment AB, it is equal to 7 centimeter, has been divided by point P. ST को such that बोल देते हैं, such that AP ratio PB is equal to 1:3. Now we need to measure AP and PB. So length of AP we will measure now, and this is length of PB. Let's measure these with the help of scale. So 1.8, 1.8, and the next is you can check, this is 5.2, approximate 5.2. so 1.8 centimeter, 5.2 centimeter. So this way if you add up these both, it will come 7 centimeter. Next is draw a line segment of a given length. It is not given what length. So by estimate we can take 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, your own choice. So suppose I have taken here 6 centimeter and divided into 4 equal parts. It is same type of question as you did question number 1 of the exercise. Acute angles at both the points. From here this is 60 degree, and again from here this is 60 degree. Now you can extend these. this also, arrow here, arrow here. Now how many arcs you are to cut? 4. So I am just minimizing the compass. 1, 2, 3 and 4. यहाँ पे भी आप 4 कर दो. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. अब आप इसकी नेमिंग कर दो. First I have named this again AB. This is A1, A2, A3, A4. This is B1, B2, B3 and B4. अब आपने वैसे ही ज्वाइनिंग करनी है जैसे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में की थी. दिस A4 विद B बाय डॉटेड लाइन, A3 विद B1 dotted line, A2 with B2, again this is a dotted line, A1 with B3, again it is dotted line, A with B4, again it is dotted line. Now this point is C1, this is C2, this is C3. Now last is left to write the result. Line segment, I have named it AB. It is equal to, even if I have taken by estimate, but what I have taken that I need to write. 6 centimeter has been divided into 4 equal parts. ST means such that AC1 is equal to C1 C2 is equal to C2 C3 is equal to C3 B. It is not asked in the question that you measure each part, so we will leave the question here only.